Welcome inside one of the garages where we store machines and parts for ATV and UTV on demand. To help meet your demand for more content, we've decided to do some product unboxings, to help you learn a bit about the items that we have in for testing, and to give you a preview of some of the big feature videos that we have coming up. Today, we're unboxing a clutch kit for the RZR XP 1000 from EPI Performance. GBC Motorsports Grim Reaper tires are a very aggressive all-terrain tire. With a 30-inch set in for testing and their 8-ply radial construction, we decided to pair them up with a set of wheels to do a video on how to add larger tires to your side-by-side. For wheels, No Limit's customizable wheels feature a number of styles and almost all OEM colors. No Limit's Deuce wheel features a modular design with a replaceable outer ring. They come with a 100% satisfaction guarantee and a structural lifetime warranty, perfect for the driver we have in mind. Going with a different wheel and tire setup, switching to a radically different altitude, or just your driving style are all reasons why you could benefit from a custom aftermarket clutch setup. You can jump on their website and comb through their list of clutches and recommended setups, or be like us and just call them up, tell them your wheel and tires and intended driving style, and have them recommend a clutch for you. Customer service matters, and EPI's seems good. Not to mention their sense of humor. Along with EPI's catalog providing reading material for the water closet. Inside the box, you'll find new primary and secondary springs. Both are typically a bit stiffer than stock to engage at a slightly higher RPM and keep the clutch in a lower gear a bit longer. The clutch weights are located in the primary clutch. Their weight and shape affect belt engagement. Most kits are tuned for less slippage, providing snappier acceleration and reduced belt wear. The kit comes with instructions, but you'll probably just watch their YouTube video like us. This next part is the helix, which resides in the secondary clutch. The channels cut in the helix affect the way that the secondary clutch upshifts and downshifts. EPI takes a big notch out of the side that affects downshifting, which reduces engine braking. This helps to better maintain traction in rough sections where you're not on the gas. It also helps reduce wear and tear on the belt. And there you have it, a quick unboxing and look at one of EPI Performance clutch kits for the very popular Polaris RZR XP 1000. Check out all of their products at epiperformance.com. Subscribe for our test of GBC's Grim Reaper tires and our video on how to add larger tires to your side-by-side. Thanks for watching.